we are here in Quirino High School with Rosalina, the seat teacher, and Gloria Bato, seat coordinator for the Philippines. I just wanted to share with you all, the seat team, the wonderful experience we had here. So I'll pass the word to Rosalina and Gloria to say hi to you.
Hi.
So what do you think about SEED so far, for the SEED team, that they cannot see you but they can hear you and see you through the video?
SEED here in the Philippines is active and
just go on with the SEED program that you have been started, and hopefully Philippines will be doing that great also in the future.
Yeah, we have already started the great work.
What do you think about the SEED website, the registration as a volunteer, and the interaction, because you can post your comments, your reports? What do you think about the SEED teacher, for example, Rosalina? SEED teacher corner.
I think it's good. Good basis for the information, and we can post our blogs there, and even the events like the recently activities we had, the workshop, the fruit power and the solar cooking. Okay.
The solar cooker and the fruit power seed kit that you can have online as well. So thank you very much for having us here. Okay.
Thank you also for coming.
And what is
hope
yeah.
You will come back for more workshops.
And I'll leave you for the follow-up with Gloria, who is intending to come every month, once a month.
And more communication with Gloria, of course.
More communication.
More communications.
So far, so good.